I wonder.
When it comes to online safety, creating strong and unique usernames, email addresses, and a password is an important step in protecting your personal information. A strong username or email address can make it more difficult for others to find you online, while a strong password can help to prevent unauthorized access to your accounts. To create a strong username or email address, it is important to avoid using easily guessable information, such as your name, birthday, or common words. Instead, try to come up with a unique combination of letters, numbers, and special characters that is difficult for others to guess. Creating a strong password is also important for online safety. A strong password should be at least 8 characters long and should include a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. To help you remember your passwords, you may want to consider using a password manager, allowing you to use unique and complex passwords for each account without having to remember them all.